So I reprinted these shapes, and they actually fit together. Can you try to put them together?
There.
So when they come together, now is that really in good view on the camera? I guess it is actually. It's okay. You can leave it there. I was worried that maybe a white on the white wouldn't be so easy to see. But what shape does it make when you put these together?
Cube.
It makes a cube. And we know the shape in the middle. That we did not have too much difficulty counting. It had 14 vertices. So how does the fact that the middle shape has 14 vertices and the fact that they can come together in a cube help us see the number of vertices of the shape with a hole in it?
Well, every vertex of the cube, except for these two, is touching a vertex of the other shape.
Okay. So that would lead us to believe that the vertices of the other shape should be what?
12.
12.
But there are 6 vertices.
Make sure you're staying in camera.
These corners of the cube that are on our second shape that are not on our first shape.
Interesting.
So there we have 12 plus 6, 18.
So we have 2 vertices that don't count. Can you show me where those are? The vertices that end up not counting?
Here and here.
Yeah, and what are the vertices that do count?
So it's these on the top and then the ones on the bottom.
And how would you describe those?
So I guess they're if you put it like this in the square face, there's one that doesn't count and the other 3 do.
Ah,
In
okay.
the L shape.
Good, so we got to subtract 2 from 14 and then add 6, so we get 18. What about the edges? Can you start with the edges? How do we see that the edges, if the edges of the shape that's in the middle are 24, how do we see that there are 30 edges for our shape that has the hole in it?
Well, so see, I mean, it's kind of split up into more different edges.
Okay.
So it would be like counting. I guess you count these as different edges.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you do.
you kind of have to split up the edges of the cube.
Okay.
So, and every one of these faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 8 total.
Okay.
And then, so the ones that don't count are the ones, these 2 here. Well, they're in this other shape here.
All right. So let's go to the next video.